Hi, I'm Josephine, a business management graduate at Notre Dame de Changas University in Philippines and a proud single mother to one daughter. Teaching math something I truly enjoy, especially when helping young learners feel confident and excited about learning. I teach math to students from grade 1 to grade 5 and have 3 years of experience teaching both online and face to face. I've been recognized with awards for my dedication and passion as a teacher. I patiently review lesson and adjust my teaching style to suit each child learning phase, making learning fun and effective. Book a class with me. I've been happy to guide your child toward success. Thank you.